Oh my gosh, I love it, so cute. It's a tiny box, honey. Do you see this one is a very small and tiny box size here? Honey, look at this too. This one will be smaller. This time we are going to unbox for our new Mofusand series. I think you already know about this version, right? But now, this time it is the latest version for our Mofusand series. About this version, you can see there contained for those 5 boxes. The 5 option for this one, I love all of them. So about this one, I love that this 2 shark one, and let me see how to open this one. Yeah, this is super special. It's my first time to open this series. So 3, 2, 1, open! There has those 6 different options, and you can see for the size. Let me pull one. You can check. You can tell the size. It will be smaller compared to the previous one. You can see we also have the sample for the previous item, but now this one it will be even more smaller compared to this one. So I want to get, oh my god, here even got the penguin. So about this version, there has a penguin, the shark, also have a lot of ocean animals. So let's open this one. Yeah, I want to get the shark ones, and I want to get the shark and want to get the penguin. So let me open the button. Please be the shark or the penguin. I got my target. It's a shark item. Look at here. How cute. I love this one. So let me open this one. Here, it do not have the chain. Let me find this one. You can open the pack here. It's a very small and tiny shark baby. So cute, honey. Look at this one. It is this one is very smaller compared to the shark one. Yeah, look at this too. It's so good. I love the color. And also, this is totally a fluffy one. Now, this one's super fluffy. You can try to scratch the baby's body, but this one can tell the face, and those parts they are the top one. They are the vinyl face. But other parts they are very soft. But this one is a totally the soft one. The whole body is super soft. You can just try to scratch the baby's whole body here. It's so good. So about this one, I think you can just make this one. You can make this one to be a phone chain, or to be a keychain, or just be a little pendant on your back. I saw the very cute kitty face, paired with our shark one. So good, and you can see this too. A big shark with a small shark, honey. So maybe I would recommend to get them together. Why don't you just get them together? This one's even more smaller compared to this one. You can check here. And also about the face, you can see this one is a top one. Yeah, those 3 parts, they are very tough. But here you can see they are just really soft. I really want to get a dolphin. Yeah, I really want to get a dolphin. So what's that? Let me see. What's that? What is another whale? Very cute whale babies. I love this one so much. It's a black color. Yeah, this is a black color. It is also very good one. I love the whale. So good. Super cute, isn't it? Everyone, oh my god, I love this series. So you can see this one. This time they are all the ocean animal series. We have the shark, we have the dolphin, the whale shark, and also have a lot of other animals. So now this time here, if you want to get them, don't miss our baby. And also this one's super soft. Yeah, very soft one. I love this one. Okay, put the baby here. And I want to get the dolphin. I still really want to get the dolphin. So let's see what's that. Oh my gosh. This is another shark item. Oh my gosh! Look at this beautiful color, and also you will find the baby has a different facial expressions. So the baby just has a wing. Do you see here? So cute, a wing kitty. I love this one. I love this baby. This one's gonna be my favorite one. All of those beautiful ocean animals, and this one I love this one because the baby has a very different facial expression. Looks super cute. Try to pretend to be try to pretend to be the shark, to be the penguin, to be the shark, the whale shark, right? Yeah, I think this time our kitty just tried to disguise to be, other different animals. They try to disguise to be ocean animals. Pretend to be those, pretend to be that one, right? So dear everyone, this time, if you also want to get our baby, don't be hesitate. Just go to check our, the new Mofusand series.